This is a fully constructed kart. Hi, I'm Lorette and I work for Nüdel Kart. Before I built the kart, I'd never even used a power drill, let alone knew what an impact driver was. Before you begin, make sure you read through the construction manual, which comes with your flat pack Nüdel Kart. It has all the information you need on how to assemble the kart, including important information on safety and maintenance. Make sure you've got all 7 Nüdel Kart boxes and enough room so you can spread out. If you're anything like me, you want to unpack and lay out everything in a particular order that suits you, and make sure you're not missing any parts. In this video, we're going to focus on some specific pieces for constructing the kart to make sure you get the best quality finish. And safety is always important, especially remember to protect your eyes. Let's talk about tools. You've been supplied 2 drill bits and 1 driver bit. You'll also need your own impact driver. The manual starts with the assembly of the big boxes, but for the purposes of this video, we're going to start small. We're going to assemble the funnel. This is what it will look like when it's complete. You'll need 5 pieces in total: the end cap and 4 sides. You'll need 18 screws for the funnels and the impact driver. An important note for the whole assembly is to make sure the pieces are the right side up. If you look at a piece and see the pre-drilled holes and the countersink, this is the right side up. What is a countersink, you ask? A countersink allows the screw to sit flush with the piece. And where we refer to chamfered edges, this is where sharp edges have been smoothed for safety and durability. That's what we mean by chamfered. And remember, always refer to the manual for full instructions. To begin, place the pieces together as a complete unit. Remember, it has to be right side up. Once the pieces fit neatly together, clasp the funnel with your hands. And this is the completed funnel, ready to use. You continue like this when assembling all other pieces. Now we're going to assemble one of the small drawers. There are 2 small drawers and 2 large drawers. The Nüdel Kart is made from 18mm plywood and 12mm plywood. So when you're constructing the small drawer and other elements that are made using the 12mm plywood, you need to take extra care screwing as the sidewalls are thinner. You will need 5 pieces in total: 1 base, 2 ends, and 2 sides. And you need 24 screws. Place the pieces together as a complete unit. With the drawers, you might want to screw the bottom in before moving to the sides. For safety reasons, make sure that the item is at the right height for you. So I'm on a step ladder. You now have a super strong small drawer ready to fill with loose parts. There are 2 big boxes, like this, which store the 4 drawers. 2 drawers in each when the kart is packed up. To build a big box, you'll need 5 pieces. The base, which you'll note is in the 12mm plywood, and 4 unique sides. So how do you know they're the right way up? Well, again, you look for the pre-drilled holes, and in this case, the hex face. The inside will be smooth. You'll also need 4 L brackets and 48 screws. To assemble the big box, you need to put the 4 unique sides around the base. And remember, check where the pre-drilled holes are, the chamfered edge, and the hex face, and that is the way it sits to the base. And now you can start screwing in the screws. You'll find it much easier if you flip the box and start with the base. Once that's completed, flip the box up. You'll notice the notches left in each corner of the box. This is where you place the L brackets, like so, which help make the box super strong by any child's standard. Screw these like so. And when in doubt, always refer to the manual. You might find it easier to do the sides first and then secure the centre screw. And that's the completed big box. This is what we call the wobble. It's the trickiest piece to assemble. For the wobble, you'll need 13 pieces of plywood and 46 screws. The easiest way to construct the wobble is to start with the 2 curved pieces, like so, and the 2 skinny planks that connect them. Again, take note of the hex facing out and the chamfered edge. It's okay to keep referring to the manual. The wobble is quite complicated and there are lots of different size pieces, and it's important to get them in the right places. You should also put the centre piece on as well to help hold it in place. In terms of the direction, the Nüdel Kart logo should face this way with the solid curved piece at the other end. Now I'm going to screw the middle bit in place. When you're screwing this in, don't screw all the way, because what we will do is square up the wobble after we've put all the pieces in and tighten the screws as the last step. Let's take a closer look at the 2 unique side pieces. Note, the thinner piece has no pre-drilled holes. One side has a hard edge, the other is chamfered. And this attaches to the wobble like this. Let's look at the other unique piece, which is slightly wider and has many pre-drilled holes and is chamfered all the way around. You will also notice the edges are different sizes. The smaller edge goes to the top like this. The whole thing attaches like so. Once you finish that part, making sure you haven't screwed them in fully, we'll flip it up this way and screw in from the top so that we can help square it off. Screw these screws in the whole way. Then we flip the wobble and do the other side. Now that this is done, we can start squaring it off again. Important to note, start from the middle and then work your way from the end, moving back to the middle. And now you've fully assembled the wobble. The last pieces I want to talk about are the assembly of the cups, bowls, and sieve. These pieces are assembled slightly differently to the other parts. For this demonstration, I will assemble one of the bowls. You need 2 rings and the base piece. You'll also need 3 small bolts. The top ring is defined once again by the countersinks and the chamfered edge, whereas the middle piece of the ring is flat, not chamfered. And if you're ever in doubt, always refer to the manual. It's definitely not a sign of weakness. Take the 2 rings and line up the holes. Using the impact driver or screwdriver, screw the bolts all the way. And here's your completed bowl. Now follow the same steps for the other pieces. The 3 cups, the other bowl, and the sieve. Continue to assemble all remaining parts before moving on to the pack-up manual. The pack-up manual will show you all the steps necessary so you can put the cart together. Just like this, so you can take it anywhere you want.